All right. Mic test. Can you hear me now? Children of Seymour. Sasalamin na nga rin ako. Wait lang. Ayoko dapat magsalamin para hindi kayo manibago Pero hindi ko mabasa Mayang gabi isa tanan. Okay, so I think we are officially live. So hello everybody. This is your quote-unquote favorite DDS lawyer po. So good day po to everyone, wherever you may be. So first and foremost, ang gusto ko talagang ipaabot sa inyong lahat this evening, my fellow taong bayan. Wait lang. Saan ba yun? Ayun. Saan kaya kayo dito? Dito muna kayo Huwag kayo magtampo. Lagay ko kayo sa ilalim ng baba ko. Okay? Alright. So what I really want to show all of you, first and foremost po, is this one. Kita nyo naman, di ba? Yan. So, it says there, 365,000. So, hello guys. Thank you po for subscribing. Lahat na nakasubscribe so far. Thank you po sa mga magsasubscribe. Of course, thank you in advance. And the reason po kaya ko yan pinapakita sa inyong lahat is because last year, sa ganitong date, 2024, and actually November 2024 po pala, yung subscribers ko nung November 2024 was only 3,000 subscribers. So kung meron dyan sa inyong nasa live ngayon na nakasubscribe nung nasa 3,000 pa lang nung November, I greatly appreciate you po. You are an old gangsta, an OG dito sa channel ko. Okay, so after po kasi nung November, when I started covering mga political topics, kasi diba nag-filing po ng candidacy October last year. So November, I started making political posts. And then that's when I did a commentary po nung sa mga Senate hearings na nandun si FPRRD, si Tatay Digong. Wait lang taas ko yung kasi ang taas ng webcam ko Iba kasi yung wait. Nagulo tuloy yung thoughts ko. Okay lang ba sa inyo putol ulo or gusto nyo makita yung full kapogian natin? Ayusin ko. Iba kasi yung setup ko for my usual pag nagre-record Yan. Okay. So anyway, going back. When I started covering, making political topics nung filing candidacy October, then I started making commentaries yung mga nangyayari sa Senate hearings. Doon po may personally as a licensed lawyer, as a professional who discusses or who solves problems in relation to legal matters, madami po akong nakikitang parang misinformation kung ako lang tatanungin ninyo. It may be either sinasadya nila or maybe they really believe na totoo or tama yung sinasabi nila. So anyway, my main point, I started making legal commentaries on current events sa bansa natin. And then that's when it started picking up yung channel ko po. Uy, nakita na pala kayo dito sa channel. Ayan, dito lang pala kayo. Pwede naman pala kayo dito Okay, so that's when it started picking up. Like I stated earlier, nung November po, I had just 3,000 subscribers sa YouTube community. And then by the end of November, it went to around 30,000. Huwag nyo napansinin yung chat box. Nagugulo yung thoughts ko pag lumalabas And then anyway po, by the start of January 2025, nag 100,000 po tayo, basically start ng January. And then to end 2025, we are now at 365,000. So my main point here is, in a span of 13 months from November 2024, from 3,000 po, naging 365 kayong lahat, may fellow taong bayan na for one reason or another, ang dating parang gusto nyo sigurong nakikinig sa akin, nagdadadaldal or nag-explain. And ang pinaka-point ko talaga is that I appreciate each and every one of you po who has been part of this content creation journey ko. That is from the bottom of my heart. Okay? Na-appreciate ko po talaga kayo isa-isa kasi like what I stated, di ba? Hindi ko planado yun Gumagawa-gawa lang akong content, nagulat ako, biglang dumami ng sobra. Reload ko lang kasi gusto ko makita kung ilan talaga yung watching. So there's currently 168 of you watching po na nasa YouTube. Okay, so again, thank you po. Yan una. And then, yung isa pang gusto ko ipakita rin sa inyong lahat is, baka lawyer ko yan. Ayan, may lumabas na mga notification. Okay, mute muna natin. Turn off notifications. Okay. And my next point naman is this one. Ito, 216,000 tayo sa Facebook currently. So by the start of 2025, nasa lang po yan, I think around 30 or 50,000 when we started 2025. So from 30 to 50, by the end of the year 2025, nasa 216,000 na rin po tayo dito sa Facebook. And of course, again, because of that growth, gusto ko lang din po magpasalamat ulit sa inyong lahat na sumusuporta basically sa content ko. Kasi At the end of the day, kung wala pong nanonood sa content ko, walang nagfa-follow, walang nagsasubscribe, baka tinigil ko na to kasi madami din po akong trabaho as a practicing lawyer, and okay din naman income ko doon, pero this is parang sabihin lang natin parang my own personal advocacy, my own personal parang passion to create content, magdadaldal. And yun lang po, pasalamat po again sa inyong lahat na naging part sa content creation ko. May it be sa YouTube kayo nanonood or sa Facebook or sa TikTok. Okay, so again, thank you po to all of you, my fellow taong bayan. I appreciate each and every one of you. Medyo paulit-ulit na lang tayo, pero yun naman yung point ko talaga dito because I just really want to say thank you na gusto ko makita ninyo live na wala akong any script. Actually, wala naman talaga akong script sa videos ko when I record, pero at least makita nyo na nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo na live, spontaneous, na galing talaga sa puso, basically. Okay? And then, yan na po yun. Yung pinakagusto kong kadramahan na mangyari. So I think we can just answer some questions. Ayan, ibalik ko kayo dito muna guys para maging ano rin kayo ba? Maging proud kayo. Shoutout na kayo dyan. Yung mga sobrang dami laging nagpapa-shoutout.